Hi again 2DC. Here's your maths lesson, week 7, lesson 4. Let's head on over to, you've guessed it, Thomas. It's good practice to keep going back and playing the games that we've already played. Remember, practice makes perfect. You'll get more and more confident and quicker at recalling number facts, so you're really ready for year 3. Today let's focus on the arrays games. So type in arrays and you need the array. Have a little read. There are hints and help. You can listen to the intro or you can just go straight on to the game. It took a little while for it to load on my computer, so just be patient. Okay, so show the rows. Let's skip intro. You can see here that we've got 9 rows, 5 columns. So we're trying to do 9 fives. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45. You type the answer in. Press enter. And you get a well done if you get it right. Have a little try. Now 9 sixes. You can actually set your own sums if you prefer, look. Have a go. Remember, it doesn't matter if you don't know one of the times tables, you can count the other way instead, because multiplication is commutative. Some of you might even be able to do it without the grids, counting in your heads. Now here we've got an ogre called Oozella, and she likes arrays as well. She likes to grow stinking bogwort plants that she can sell to other monsters. And look, she always plants them in nice neat rows or arrays. What multiplication sum can you see here? Well, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 rows. And we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 columns. So it's up to you whether you look at that as 5 sets of 10 or 10 sets of 5, because you should get the same answer. Let's count the 5 tens. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. But if you count the 5s, you've got 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50. What if she sold 3 bunches of 10 plants? How many would she have sold? That would be 3 sets of 10, wouldn't it? 10, 20, 30. So how many would she have left? 10, 20. What if she had 70 plants altogether and they were in bunches of 10? How many would she have then? How many 10s make 70? Here come my fingers and my nose again. We're counting in 10s up to 70. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. 7 10s make 70. So she would have 7 bunches of 10 plants. Have a look at her lettuces now. How has she planted those? What array can you see? I can see 3 rows of 6, or 3 times 6. Now if I want to work out how many I've got all together, it will be 6, add 6, add 6, but I'm not very good at counting in 6s, and this is why the fact that multiplication is commutative comes in handy. Look, I can swap it around. What can you see now? It's 6 sets of 3, isn't it? Which I find much easier to count. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18. So if 6 3s are 18, what are 3 6s? That must be 18 as well, mustn't it? See how it comes in handy? You just choose the times table that you're better at counting in to work out the sum. You'll get the same answer, because it's really the same question. Let's see what else Oozella is growing. Ah, another cabbage patch or lettuce patch. But what have we got this time? We could count up in nines to find out how many there are altogether. But again, I'm not very good at counting in nines. So what other multiplication sum could we do to help us? That's right, we've just switched it around. So count the rows in threes. 3, 6, what did you get? Hopefully you got 27. So what will 3 nines be? What about her carrots? Which two multiplication sums go with this array? And can you work out how many there are in total? How about her onions? Think about two multiplication sums for this array. Have a go at page 30 now. And if you'd like some extension work, have a go at this. Array for Maths 1. You've got to do 2 arrays for each sum. Be careful at the bottom, you've got 24 here and 24 there, but you've got to think of different multiplication sums to make 24. Using different numbers, not just swapping them around. And the same here. You've got 30 here and 30 here. Be careful. And that's another lesson completed. Well done, Year 2. See you tomorrow. Bye.